Yeah. All right, so we're at our second stop for the day, or part 2 in the 3 series of waterfalls. This is Helton Creek Falls. Dad, what do you think about that road getting down here?
Oh, terrible.
Pretty intense. Either way, about to hit up a waterfall. It's gonna be a great day. So there's 2 waterfalls here. One little starter. I think some people slide down in it in times, if I can remember correctly. That's cool.
That's a waterfall?
No. All right, so we have gotten to the first waterfall. And as you can see, it is very slippery. Buddy, bro. All right, so be very careful, okay? I have busted here. Like up here, do not do that. Even coming down, be careful. Wow. Now be careful. Pretty cool so far. Dad's enjoying the waterfalls. All right, so we're looking at 11 o'clock now. We've seen a decent amount of people out here. So this place does get packed even during the week. 11 o'clock, we're just gonna see some people. Watch that step. That's funny. So we got to this point. Dad thought this was the waterfall. That's funny. All this way for that? What is that? Okay, so that was a very short, in and out, less than a half-mile hike to Helton Creek Falls. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.